Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Python Challenge for All. Okay, let's see where we were last time.
So let's see. Last time we moved down to desktop environment. So we downloaded and installed Python, and then made a folder to work on it. And anyway, tried to do some exercise programming, such as print integers from 1 to 10. So let's see, homework. Find prime numbers under 10 using the idle. Okay, let's move on. So to do that, maybe we can open idle. The version can be different from mine. So anyway, new file. So last time, okay. So let's see. The thing is, that's very simple. So let's see. What we need to do is, what was that? Find prime numbers under 20. So it's quite simple. It's just write. So as you write, so first solution is very simple. For n in range 1 through 21 maybe, and say make a list of divisors or divisors, okay, or factors, okay. So divs equals, maybe we can write it using list comprehension. So for k in range 1 through n plus 1, and then, okay, good. So if length of divs list equals 2, print n. Okay, I think this is good enough. So let's run it. To run, so just run. Okay, in that case, you need to save it. So maybe, for example, exercise 1, E1 is good enough. Okay, so just 2. Something is wrong. What's wrong? N equals, no, of course we need something here. K for k in range, if n percentage k equals 0, meaning that n is divisible by k, okay? Or k is a factor of n, okay? And so let's save it and let's run it. Okay, so 3, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. That's why this was very easy. Okay, as you know, the other way around is make a list of prime PL initialized as empty, and when the condition stands, just add it to append n to PL. And then lastly, what's wrong? Print after finishing everything, PL. Okay, so this will be good enough. This will make print a list of prime numbers under 20. Good. Okay, so let's move on to today's work. Trying some more desktop environments. So basically, most of the codes we developed on Colab can be executable, runnable on this environment. So let's check that. Copying code segments from Colab. So first, addition gain. Remember that in lesson 7 or 7 and 8, we did that. So let's open the maybe EX1, E1. I hope you remember in your one, maybe the first one. So in my case, it should be a little different, maybe E1. Okay, let's open it and take a look. So here, let's see, toward the end of this file, okay, here is adding game. So maybe you can just copy everything and paste it in the, let's see, we don't need this, okay? So we can just paste it on over it, okay? So basically it's import random, remember? Probe number, we try 5 numbers, score is 0 in the beginning, generate random X and random Y, and then ask questions, input the answer, change it to integer, and then if it is correct, correct, and wrong, wrong. Okay, let's run it. Good. So 11 plus 17, 28, correct. 27 plus 10, let's make make wrong answer intentionally. Okay, 99. Wrong. It's not 99, but 37. Okay, 45. Correct. Maybe 0. Wrong. Okay, 29. So that makes the, okay, your score was 3 out of 5. Good. So now what we can now see is that we can run it very smoothly. We can just copy. Okay. Let's try the next one. Next, number guessing game. Lesson 23 and 24. Exercise 3. Okay, let's open it and do the same thing to check that we can do the same thing. So lesson 3. Is this it? Okay, let's open it. Look for the number guessing game toward the end of it, I guess. I hope we can find it. Oh, this is it. Okay, so maybe we can make a new file, okay, and copy it. Is this the last one? Okay, so again, we copy the whole code segment from this box, paste it on the new file, and let's hope that it works. So save it as E2 guess. Okay, and let's run it. Okay, guess range is 1 to 50, maybe, okay, 30. Lower, okay, 10. Okay, lower, 4. Higher, 6. Correct in round 4. So you remember this is what we made. So maybe, of course, you can change the parameters and enjoy more if you like. But let's go on to next problem. Okay, what's next? Yeah, turtle graphics. We try several, and actually we need to change a little. Okay, random and colorful squares. Lesson 15. Exercise 2. So let's open EX2 or E2. Let's see, E2 or EX2. Where is it? Maybe this is it. This was simple. So I'll tell you what we need to change. So in the beginning, we use this, but actually we don't need pip because turtle graphics is already installed. So the first thing we need to copy is the first line. And again, let's make a new file, paste this one. And actually, we don't need the first part, Colab turtle. And also we need to change turtle to lowercase. Okay, and then what's next? Going all the way for drawing squares. I guess we need to, okay, this is wandering turtle. Maybe this is it. Okay. So let's copy this. Remember X and Y. size is random, and we make, yeah, anything is fine. So let's see if this works. And actually, we don't need this one, initialize title. So let's comment this out. Okay. Let's run it by saving it as, say, E3 squares. Okay. Oh, it has something, draw star. Okay. So maybe it writes draw star, but we didn't define draw star. And actually, we wanted squares instead of draws. So let's see. Let's go back to the code and find draw square, copy it, paste it somewhere before the main routine, and change draw square into draw square, draw star into draw square. I hope this works. Let's try this. Haha, strange, something strange. So let's see. One thing we need to remember is that, okay, before going on, we need to check where we are. So let's check in the beginning. Okay, let's write T, right, T pos. This way, we can write where we are. T pos. Okay. So what we found is that the center point is 0, 0 instead of 400 and 250, like in Colab. So in this case, we need to change the position to, say, like minus 200 to plus 200. The same for y. Minus 200 to positive 200. Okay, let's run it. But square is not defined. Okay, we need square, actually. Yeah, here we need square. So let's see where the square is. Square, oh, here. Oh, good. Square is here. So we need to copy square as well. Let's paste it in front of draw square. Okay, this should be good. Okay, let's run it and see. Good. So square, good. Maybe the yellow is not very good color. Let's change it. So let's change the, instead of yellow, maybe we should use green. Okay. Instead of pink, we should use orange. How about this? This will make a more colorful one. So, okay, the turtle is flying from here to there, right? Drawing different squares. Maybe we can draw the squares larger by changing the size to 50 to 200. And also we don't need this. So let's do this. Okay, so anyway, now we checked that everything is almost fine. Remember that the center point is different, and also the yeah, that's all we need to know. And several things are different. Okay. Also, we need to remember that we need how we can speed up. Speed 0. We write everything very quick. Too fast? Okay, maybe of course you can change it to 8 or 9. Okay, let's move on to next. Maze and spiral, lesson 31, E3 turtle. Okay, so before going on, let's make a new file, empty file, and go to E3 turtle. Let's see, in my case, it's E3. In your case, it could be E4, E3. I hope you can find your code drawing the spiral turtle. As I said, okay, where is it? Yeah, okay. Yeah, we drew all these, right? So let's go down all the way to spiral instead of, oh, this one. This one is beautiful, okay? So let's copy it and paste it. And then, as I said, we need to import, right, turtle as t, and we don't need this. Instead, we need t speed 9, okay? Background color white, pen color blue, 6. I think we can start right now. Okay, let's try this. So E4 turtle, spiral. Okay, let's see. Again, position is wrong. What's wrong? Draw a circle with center at 420. So we don't need this because we want to draw from the center. Okay. What's wrong? Half P circle is not defined. So let's go for the code of half P circle. Half P circle here, okay. Then, okay, paste it in front of the main code, somewhere around here. And also, we need to check whether something more is different. Actually, we don't need polygon here. So I think this is good enough. Let's run it. Good. So, very good. Now we can draw a very colorful spiral in a comfortable, fast way. Okay, good. So that's all for today, I guess. Homework. How about treasure hunt by turtle? Let's go back to some previous slides and find the code and copy it and try to run it. Okay. I hope some hints I gave are helpful. Okay, hope you come back next time and be sure to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye-bye. See you next again. Bye-bye.